In the near lane, Tim Troutman, 69 Dodge Dart 340 automatic. In the far lane, Jerry Head Jr., 68 Barracuda 344 speed. And head red lights. Troutman gets the automatic win, 1441, 95.23 to 1590, 90.09 miles per hour. In the near lane, Cliff Sebring's 85 Omni GLH Turbo 5-speed. In the far lane, Paul Suloff's 87 Grand National. On the line, two examples of modern-day turbo muscle. The Grand Nationals are infamously fast, while the Omni 4-door keeps a low profile that has surprised many would-be challengers. Suloff gets the win, 1478, 83.02 to 1534, 87.29. In the near lane, Mark Anderholt in a 70 Duster 344 speed. In the far lane, Mike Holt's 87 Grand National. Holt gets there first, 1540, 87.12 to 1561, 92.30. In the near lane, Randy Rigotti, 72 Dodge Demon 340 automatic. In the far lane, Tim Sestokas, 68 Mustang 289 automatic. Rigotti gets the win, 1481, 91.09 to 1579, 85.22. In the near lane, Dave Mascaro's 71 Dodge Demon 340 automatic. In the far lane, Laura Cherry's 71 Cuda 340 automatic. The starter backs Laura up momentarily, while Mascaro waits tensely. If one thing can rattle a driver's nerves, it's a staging delay. Laura stages her Cuda and the tree counts down. Laura gets there first, 1477, 93.26 to 1528, 90.09. In the near lane, Kevin Hoffman's 72 Charger 360 automatic. In the far lane, Jim Ziebert's 70 Cuda AAR 340 6-pack automatic. The AAR Cuda and its cousin, the TA Challenger, are the most highly developed Mopar small blocks ever conceived. Today, these are very desirable collector cars. Ziebert wins, 1458, 93.75 to 1654, 80.35 miles per hour. In the near lane, Jerry Riedthaler's 71 Cuda 340 automatic. In the far lane, Craig Konofalski's 71 Demon 344 speed. At Showdown 86, Craig's Demon was one of the faster small blocks present. Craig shows us some Christmas tree concentration here on the line. Konofalski wins, 1458, 96.05 to 1672, 92.68. In the near lane, Danny Dodd, 70 Challenger TA 340 6-pack 4-speed. In the far lane, Charlie Thomas in an 87 Grand National. Dodd gets the win, 1446, 94.43 to 1546, 95.84. In the near lane, George Eberst, 71 Demon 340 automatic. In the far lane, Mike McNews, 86 Corvette 350 automatic. Eberst wins 14:03, 98.14 to 14:58, 95.33. In the near lane, Troy Ward, 71 Duster 344 speed. In the far lane, Denny Jensen, 70 GTO Judge, Ram Air 4 automatic. Jensen gets the win, 14:46, 96.87 to 14:50, 97.08. In the near lane, Bill wins 68 GTX 440 automatic. In the far lane, Doug Hefner's 87 Z28 350 automatic. Win gets there first, 14:72, 94.14 to 14:89, 91.64. In the near lane, Tim Troutman, 69 Dodge Dart 340 automatic. In the far lane, Paul Suloff's 87 Grand National. Suloff wins 13:97, 98.15 to 14:45, 94.63. And in the near lane, Jim Ziebert's 70 Cuda AAR 340 6-pack automatic. In the far lane, Gary Strempel's 85 Mustang 302 5-speed. Strempel wins 14:46, 93.17 to 14:78, 93.75. In the near lane, Tom Martin's 86 Grand National. In the far lane, Randy Rigotti's 72 Demon 340 automatic. Martin wins 14:19, 91.18 to 16:56, 73.05 miles per hour. In the near lane, Craig Konofalski's 71 Demon 344 speed. In the far lane, Mike Holt's 87 Grand National. Konofalski wins 14:40, 95.94 to 15:49, 86.95. In the near lane, Danny Dodd, 70 Challenger TA 340 6-pack 4-speed. In the far lane, Lawrence Conley's 86 Grand National. Conley wins 13:20, 102.04 to 14:47, 93.65. In the near lane, George Eberst, 71 Demon 340 automatic. In the far lane, Scott Clay's 87 Grand National. Eberst gets the win 14:10, 98.36 to 14:48, 93.94. In the near lane, Laverne Eberst, 67 GTX Hemi-automatic. In the far lane, Dan Harvey's 87 Grand National. Laverne gets there first, 14:39, 97.19 to 15:30, 89.46. In the near lane, Craig Konofalski's 71 Demon, 344 speed. In the far lane, Tom Martin's 86 Grand National. Martin gets there first, 14:23, 95.24 to 14:58, 96.35. In the near lane, George Eberst's 71 Demon, 340 automatic. In the far lane, Lawrence Conley's 86 Grand National. Conley wins 13:60, 98.25 to 14:42, 90.18.